आमचो रेपो आणि रिव्हर्स रेपोत कितेंच बदल करिनासतना दर 4% आणि 3.35% वयर दवरतले. RBIच्या MPCन चलनविषयक धोरणाचे नियाळात जाहीर केला. MPCन टिकाऊ आदाराचेर वाड पुनर्जीवित करपाक आणि तिगोवन दवरपा खातीर तशेंच अर्थवेवस्थेवयलो कोविड-19चो प्रभाव उणो करपा खातीर वावर चालू दवरपाचो निर्णय घेतला.
RBIन रेपो रेट ज्या दरान RBI वेवसायीक बँकांक रीण दिता सेगीत 10वे फावट बदल करिनासतना 4% वयर दवरून मनी मार्केटांतल्या भागीदारांक अजापीत केला. हो निर्णय अर्थवेवस्थेच्या वाडीक समर्थन दिता. CPIन चलनवाडीचे मध्यम मुजतीचे लक्ष्य साध्य करपाची मोख दवरल्या. रिव्हर्स रेपो रेटीत वाड जातली अशी मार्केटांतल्या तज्ञांक अपेक्षा आसली, कित्याक तर अशा वातावरणात स्थिती कायम दवरपाचो निर्णय अजापीत करपी आसलो. हेर जागतीक घटक मतींत घेवन म्हारगाये परस वाडीक प्राधान्य दिवपाचो निर्णय RBIचो आत्मविश्वास दाखयता.
The marginal standing facility, that is MSF rate and bank rate, remain unchanged at 4.25%. The demand for contact intensive services is still muted. Going forward, positive impulses for quickening the pace of recovery emanate from buoyant Rabi prospects, robust export demand, accommodative monetary and liquidity conditions, improving credit offtake, and the continued push on capital expenditure and infrastructure in the Union Budget 22-23. The MPC also noted that consumer price inflation has edged higher since the last meeting, but largely along the anticipated lines. The increase in inflation in December was entirely due to unfavorable base effects despite month-on-month decline in prices. Large buffer stocks of cereals and effective supply-side measures augur well for food inflation. Core inflation remains elevated, but demand pull pressures are still muted. The renewed surge in international crude oil prices, however, needs to be closely monitored. On balance, headline inflation is expected to peak in Q4 21-22, that is in the current quarter, within the tolerance band, and then moderate closer to the target in the second half of 22-23. Providing room for monetary policy to remain accommodative. At the same time, output is just barely above its pre-pandemic level, while private consumption is still lagging. Global headwinds are accentuating. Overall, taking into consideration the outlook for inflation and growth, in particular the comfort provided by the improving inflation outlook, the uncertainties related to Omicron and global spillovers, the MPC was of the view that continued policy support is warranted for a durable and broad-based recovery.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.